Welcome to Speedy K's plain underbelly degreasing video. We wanted to take this time to cover with all of you out there that are maybe new to our services and or have used our services before. We are a specialty on-site, fully professionally trained detailing company. So we wanted to cover about the degreasing, the heavy soot removal, and the issues that can be caused on the underbelly of an aircraft. So these are some before and after pictures of an underbelly of an aircraft that has heavy grease, heavy debris, heavy fallout, and everything on the bottom of the aircraft. The most important part and issue that we always see is there's many hub assemblies that are in aircraft facilities that do quick washes or quick cleans. They don't use the correct products, the materials, their techs are not certified and trained. We see many times where they use aggressive pads or aggressive chemicals, not only scratching the finish, but causing the finish to fade or dull out or mark the finish. So this is a before picture of the underbelly of the plane. This issue can also create heavy drag, which we don't want that in especially today's world as far as with fuel cost. And you want to save as much as you can, especially with fuel. So if you keep your aircraft's finish professionally cleaned and treated, believe it or not, you will save on fuel. So this is the before picture, and this is the after picture of the underbelly of the aircraft. Now, what's nice with our services is we not only give you the professional advice, the tips, what you may need to do as far as upkeep, especially if you're a new client and haven't had this done and aren't aware that these issues can cause a lot of ongoing issues if you don't upkeep on your plane's finish. We also custom design up proposals like yearly packages, yearly services, or even one-time services. It all depends on what you're looking for, your budget and your needs, and or if you're selling the aircraft and you want to have it professionally restored to bring more money for your investment. We're also specialize in that at Speedy K's. This is another aircraft underbelly that's heavily covered with soot, oil, fallout from the engine, everything on the underbelly of the plane. These are some before pictures, and these are the after pictures. So one big thing that we always want to notate to you here is, especially when you get the heavy soot, heavy debris underneath here, as you see we are pointing at, it will also cause the paint to break down and have issues over time. So if you do keep up on your plane's finish accordingly, this won't happen as quick. It won't prevent it 100%, but it won't happen as quick. And we also do the professional sealants, the treatments, exterior packages as far as the restoring of the finish if it's been heavily neglected, hasn't been sealed, treated, or taken care of properly as per the manufacturer's requirements. We also specialize in that. So let us know. Submit a form online. We do give free estimates, and we'll call you and we'll go over everything verbally. So thank you for choosing Speedy K's.